Alright, Facebook. I'm gonna let y'all hear real quick, and then all the mechanics on my page or whatever. If you can, let me know what you think it is, cause it's not turning over. It sounds like it wants to, but it's not turning over. I think it was. I want to say that I might have flooded it because I filled it up to the very max, and then when I gave it the gas to get on the toll road, it gave out on me. But like I said, it sounds like it wants to turn on. I don't know if it's a fuel pump or an alternator, but the alternator, I doubt it would be, because it won't give out on me if it already started, I guess. But I don't know. I'm not the mechanic. Take a listen and tell me what y'all think. Well, that's that. Leave a comment. Gracias.